Hello, in this video, I'll be trading again on the best platform ever, Pocket Option. I will as usual use the cross-signal C3 software, so be sure to stick around to the end. If you haven't already, consider subscribe to our channel to get regular updates on trading and our latest tips. Let's dive in and start trading. For the first trade I will try to put $16. And this is the display of the software I use. If you want to download it, please check the description of this video. Make sure the market we choose is available in the software, then choose a signal duration of 1 minute if you want to trade only 1 minute. This is only our recommendation. Then, if everything is correct, click Next Signals, like this. Wait until the given signal appears. Click Higher if the software gives a buy signal like this. Cross-signal C3 is one of the valuable software specially designed for binary options and forex trading. According to candlestick psychology, this software hovers to analyze market conditions and real-time charts. It also works on the OTC market for better trading results and consistent weekly profits. And let's wait for the final result.